Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I would like to do like unboxing and a quick review of my new bag. Actually this is a tote bag for me to work, but this is the first time I bought this brand. It's a Travelpro, so I would like to share it with you. Maybe some of you looking bags for traveling. I hope this video will help. I bought this bag like 118 pounds something. I will put the price there. I will check and put the price here. Well, that's all the introduction. I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is the box. So it's quite big though. I don't want to accidentally stab the bag, so to be careful. Oh, so this is the bag. It's quite big. It says multi-purpose tote. So it's like this. Let's open it. So this is the bottom of the bag. See, have this for, and the side, I think this is for bottle. Other side, a pocket. And the back. Oh, this is for, I don't know, like a ID card, something you put inside. And zipper. And this for, I don't know what to call it, like you put on the luggage handle. See? Nice. Okay. This from here. I'll check from for the front. This is the front part. Oh. I like the front part. Part is for the laptop. That's the second part. And the third part is like the main part. Okay. Also, the zipper is not till the end. So this part can't open until like touching the back part, because the zipper only until this part. So if I want to open, like, I have to like hold it. inside is nice. It's white. Here and this. So it's like a warranty. Yeah, nice, like a pad. And for the, what you call it, like the buckle. I like how it's look, and the material is quite strong, so I hope it will last long. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in another video. Bye. Pay attention in detail. I don't really like this actually, and also like another part here. I don't know, just wondering. I hope it's not going to be, see, another one. Alright, can you see that? But overall, I like this bag. So let's go out. Bye. I'm not going out with this bag. I will just put here. Let's go bowling.
Well done.
guys, I couldn't record more because of the battery. But now we are home and going to have fish and chips for the dinner. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.